guys, welcome back to Rush's Fun Activities. Today is my birthday! Hooray! It's my birthday today, guys. And it's July 17th. That's my birthday. And for yesterday, we went to a zoo to celebrate my birthday, but we're still celebrating it. We went to Avalon Zoo, so cool. And today we are gonna unbox one of my gifts. This bad boy, the PYRORAPTOR from Jurassic World Extreme Damage. Let's unbox it. So, I think we will need scissors. There. So let's cut this. This one. Okay, now for the other one. There. And the back. Look at this. Cool. Look, it can twist its tail. Nice. Can it move its legs? It can move its legs? Cool. Cool, look at this. It can also move its neck up and down. Even its arms. That, and look, it can also open its mouth. Like that. I think I'm gonna make this. It's cool. This is so cool. Wait. There's something over here. Wonder what happens when I push this button. Whoa, it reveals blood, but how about on the other side? It also reveals extreme damage. Cool. Nice, right? What's this thing? Something over there. What happens to it? You can scan this! You can scan this dinosaur to the app. It's this app. Wait a minute, guys. That app over there. It's called Jurassic World Facts. That's what it's called. So, you can scan the code right here. If you don't have the toy, scan it right over there. And that's the if you scan it. There. Scan it. Then next. Scan it again. You can scan it again, but this is extreme damage. There. You scanned it. There, you scanned it. Good. Okay. Look. Wait a minute. Look at this. Look at what I did. Look at this. Cool. Look at this, it has so cool clothes. Nice. Got me. I think this can swim, right? Guys, if you watched Jurassic World Dominion, guys, this can swim, right? Can swim. I don't know how to balance these feet. Cause it's like so this thing. How did you do this again? Was it like this? I don't remember. I don't remember. How do you make this thing stand again? Once it's in this pose, there we go. This is the pose. It's so cool, right, guys? So cool, right? And this other dinosaur is that PYRORAPTor and the other one. Ooh, nice. Scan it right now. It's so cool, okay? Scan it. Scan. Scan it now. And now. See? Okay, that's it for the unboxing of the PYRORAPTor. Thanks. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.